So we have two units today who came in, nagpakabit sila both ng steel bumper. So the other one, kasi nabanggaan na, kaya siya nagpakabit. For this Ranger, si boss naman is more on prevention. So, what's up everyone? Two units came in. Unahin muna natin to Navara. It's already 12:30. Lunch break, sakto ano natin. So quick update lang. So for this Navara, we installed SR Aero series. Isa sa mga budget-friendly natin na steel bumper, but quality-wise, isa to sa maganda. Local brand na sinusupport natin yan. Ang story behind is, nabangga kasi si Bossing. Makita nyo, pakita mo. So pinalatero, pinagawa niya na yan, body repair. Ngayon, he decided na magpakabit ng steel bumper for added protection. Ang story is, na bangga siya, nakatulog ata si Bossing. Tapos hanggang umabot, pumutok yung airbag niya. Tapos yan, sira hanggang mga fenders. Makita mo both sides yan. So he decided to avail again a steel bumper for added protection. Budget friendly but good quality. For this Ranger Wildtrak build, client availed suspension, mags, tires, accessories, Bosch horn. For the rims, Black Rhino Voyager, one of the newest design yan. For the tires, BFG KO3. For the suspension, Profender Queen Series. Then, nagpakabit din si boss ng Armor Off-Road, aluminum canopy. So, yan yung may window side glass din. Tapos may third brake light. Pakita mo na lang sa montage natin, Mark. For this build, nagpakabit din si boss ng steel bumper. So, we have two units today who came in and nagpakabit sila both ng steel bumper. So, the other one, kasi nabanggaan na, kaya siya nagpakabit. For this Ranger, si boss naman is more on prevention, which is, syempre, our top priority. Kailangan, syempre, na safety natin. So, the steel bumper, yan po yung isang purpose niya. For this Ranger, we're going to install ARB MK2 Summit. Sakto, pakita na lang natin. Nandiyan naman yung actual item. Boys, paharap nga. Papakita lang natin. So, that's two different brands, two different designs, same item, same purpose. So, for this ARB, kung makita nyo lang, may extra loop siya. Added protection for the upper part sa headlight, tsaka hanggang sa hood part ng kotse. Pwede natin pakita rin tong sa SR, just for comparison. So, for this SR Aero series, nandito yung loop niya. So, wala yun dun sa may headlight part. I have other designs as well for both for SR and sa ARB. So if you want to know about dun sa ibang designs, just tell us or kung sino man kausap yung agents namin. Then we'll help you based on your preference. We have another unit na nakapila. So naka-ready na yung item niya since naka-appointment naman si boss. BYD Shark magpapakabit ng automatic roller lead max. Again, hammer with siyempre itong hammer H-Mat. So, pakita na lang din natin later yung installation niya, the function din. Ito yung pinaka-mabenta sa atin na ruler lead, yung hammer. So, for BYD Shark, for Raptor, Ranger, Hilux, meron din tayo. For Navara, we have din as well. So, if you have any inquiries, just message us on our page. Call my number, posted there. You can text or call me anytime. So, till the next build, G out!